era of pioneers, star sailors, and adventurers.
We're going beyond anywhere we ever went for Apollo.
Splashdown. Orion, back on Earth.
And there's a lot more coming.
Our destiny is always to go and see what's further and what's next.
There actually metal is being bent, shaped, formed to build the things that we're going to use.
Artemis is no longer some far-fetched dream. This is reality.
NASA is at a historic inflection point, poised to begin the most significant series of science and human exploration missions in over a generation.
Astronauts will live and work in deep space, and will develop the science and technology to send the first humans to Mars.
I'm really looking forward to all the science we will conduct on the moon, the samples we'll bring back, the knowledge we'll gain from understanding the lunar environment better than we ever have before.
The more nations and companies at the moon, the more we learn, increasing our capabilities while strengthening things right here on Earth.
We are going to the moon to learn how to live on other planets for the benefit of all. Let's go.
And for more NASA videos, hit subscribe.